Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I welcome you all new and subscribers of the channel, that you are highly welcome. So in today's video, the app I'm gonna share with you to help you to secure your connection at the X-ray of security when you are online, and this app is on Google Play Store. So kindly open your Google Play Store, and when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for Litron VPN. So this is the VPN app. The app is already on Google Play Store. So you take note of the app name, you take note of the app icon, and after that install this app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection at the X-ray of security when you are online. So in case you are new on this channel, as we open this app, take this time to like this video, share this video to your friend, and also subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you reach in the app interface, you are required to set it up, and when you reach here, you tap here on the 4 dots in the upper right corner, and from here you are required to click on update resources. And when you click on update resources, this app will update its resources to the latest version so that it can provide you with the best service as you are using the internet. And after updating the app resources, you are required to pick a server. So among the presented, so you tap right here, then you pick any of the presented servers which you prefer, so from different countries. So you pick any server. So after picking a server, the other setting is you are required to pick your country name by tapping on the list right here. So when you reach here, you pick your country name, and if you don't see your country name, you can pick any country right here which supports UDP, like for example Liberia. So let me pick this one, Liberia, for today's guide. I've picked Liberia because it supports Hysteria UDP, and UDP is super fast and secure, and it is working for all countries which support UDP. And if your country supports UDP, and this option we have chosen right here, it will work for you. So when you reach here, you pick your country name, and if you don't see your country name and your country supports UDP, simply pick any country which supports UDP and you will be connected. And lastly, to insert a super fast and a secure connection and to add an X-ray of security, when you are browsing online, you are required to tap on this connect button. And when you tap on the connect button, this app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Litron VPN with all country settings, UDP, Hysteria, to get a super fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And lastly, you can tap on this earn time and you extend on your connection time in case you have not yet. So you press this button to earn more connection time. And that's it. Please like and subscribe.